So here I have a battery. The battery used in a patient monitor, and mainly this battery you can find in the Contec brand, Contec Contec Medical, and the model specified is cms8000, cms9000, 7000, and this is a special kind of battery which has such kind of connector. You can see. So what inside this battery, and if you like, this battery is 2017 model. What happened, what you have to do to save money, to how you can replace this battery with the new battery, because the cost of the new battery is about 4000 Indian rupees, and it's a round figure, $35 in US. And how can you replace this battery with the similar battery? And if you want to save your money, what you have to do technically, here you can see the power rating is 7.5, 7.4 volt and 350 mAh. And here, what inside this battery? Just you have to open this battery from this boundary line. There are four boundaries like that. You have to open this battery, and after opening, what you will find, you will find out the battery like that. Here I have another battery, and I open this battery with the help of a screwdriver. By easily you have to take your minus screwdriver, and you have to place your screwdriver on the boundary of the battery, and by hitting with the help of any small hammer on 3 points. First of all on the center point, then on one side and on other side. Similarly, you have to do the same process in three sides, and one hit on this side and one hit. Never hit on this side, it will break the connector. So after this you will get open battery like that. What inside this battery? Inside this battery I have a 4 lithium ion. Power rating, the cell name is 18650, which is very easily available. That is the size of the, that 18650 is basically for the size of the battery, and this is the 3.7 volt each cell. This is the code, and 3.7 volt each cell, and there are four cells basically. So it means two cells are in series making 7.2 volt, means 3.6 volt plus 3.6 volt, or 3.7 volt plus 3.7 volt, it will approximately 7.2 volt. And another two cells are also in series, but 2 plus 2 are making in parallel, by which you are getting a very easy step, like that. 3.6 plus 3.6 is 7.2, and this lower 3.6 plus 3.6 is 7.2. Means two cells here is 7.2 and two cells here are 7.2, and one cell is the power rating of 2600 mAh, 2600 mAh. It means 7.4 volt of above two cells and 7.2 volt of lower two cells together, they are in parallel, by which the current will be get add, but voltage will remain same. So 7.2 volt and 7.2 volt is equal to, in parallel, equal to 7.2 volt. In parallel, they will, voltage will never will get add, they will be constant, but in parallel the current will, you will get in addition. Like the upper 7.2 volt is 260 mAh and lower also 260 mAh. So 2600 plus 2600 is equal to 5200 mAh. So finally you will get the power rating 520 mAh, and the voltage is 7.2 volt. This is the 4-cell battery. More mAh means more backup you will get. That's why this monitor will give you 4-hour battery backup. But here in substitution, I am replacing this battery with the available battery in my stock, and it is only true lithium ion cells. Both are connected in series, and each cell is one, the code of the each cell is 18650. The similar cell I have, similar size I have. but there are two cells. That's why the power rating I am getting only 2600. If I add two similar batteries in parallel mode, I will get the more power 5200 mAh. So that will the simple technique for using battery, how you can make battery in any kind of medical grade monitor. And similarly, what you have to do, you have to here I have a PCB, and this PCB is not actually a PCB. This is only a kind of plate where a connector is mounted. Only two wires plus and minus are coming, and you will get three terminals here. Like there are three terminals, four on each side and one on each side. So here you can see the first two and second two and this third. So these two wires are distributed in three types. The first two are giving first two are same and second two are same and third is different. So this is, if I can say, this is the positive, first two positive, another two also positive, and this will be your negative terminal. So you can see positive, positive and negative. So here are three terminals basically, and here you can see the other side. So what I have to do, I have to desolder this two wire and put my plus and minus of this wire in the same manner like in this battery positive, and this is the ground level, this is the ground terminal. So after that I will put this battery inside it, and I will take a Fabigum on the boundaries of this battery and place this upper mount on the similar way, and it will get like that a new battery. And the life of this battery is approximately 360 cycle, 1 year, if you use on the daily basis. And you will get a very cheap battery quality, not cheap quality that you can use cheap quality, you can use heavy quality, but the price is very cheaper. What is the price of this battery? Is approximately 400 rupees only. In the case of US dollar, $5 only. So that is the best thing. You can save your 90% money on this. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe our channel for more detail, and very soon we will start our online and offline courses, and be together, see together, and we will change the medical line in repairing together.